Hi guys, you are welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please, if you are new to this channel, subscribe and hit the bell to be notified anytime I post a video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to share with you this for PLP file, which is text effect for PixelLab. Please, the file is locked with password. Please watch the video till the password appear to you. Thank you very much. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, according to the time you are watching this video. Please, if you are new to this channel, subscribe and hit the bell to be notified anytime I post a video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to give you 4 PLP file, which is text effect for PixelLab. Without wasting much of your time, please let's start. I'm going to use this app, this PixelLab. We are going to use. First of all, open it, and we are good to go. Go to our project, my project. Let's take the first one. This is the file. It's editable. You can edit everything from here. Please watch the video till the end so that you get the password. The file is really locked with password. Please take your time and watch the video well. Let's go. Let's start editing. Take your first layer. Let's delete this one and write guru. Second layer, write another guru. Sorry. Our third layer, another guru. Please watch the video till the end. Watch the video till the password showed up, guys. And if you are new to, hit the bell to be notified anytime I post a video. This is how the file will look like after editing it. This is the guru. So you can edit it anyhow you want it, like any text you want to edit, you just write it how I just did it, and you are going to get your text effect. So this is all for the first text. Let's move to the second one. We are going to this one. This is the second one we are going to. Guys, they are all editable except the ones I've merged with shape, like these two. I've made them with shape, but we are still going to edit them. So let's go to our first layer. Edit guru. Our second layer is made with shape. Let's go to our third layer. Please guys, sorry for the background noise. I'm very sorry. Guru. Oh, that's it. So let's hide these ones. So this is how the text is. So we are going to write a text guru, and we are going to change our text to this text we are using here. Go to your text, your font. Go to my font. This text is really Blackstone. That's the name of the text. Enlarge it. Come to this side. I'm coming. The pending. Add it small, and this one to add it small. Yeah, so we are good to go. So we are going to add our stroke to the text. Let's make it 10. 10 is okay. So we are going to merge it with shape. Merge it with shape. So we are going to merge our text with this shape. After merging it, just come to erase color and take the white off. Your tolerance, make it 70. So we are going to merge it with another shape again, but this time around we are going to hide it at the corner of any part of the so we are going to merge it. So now we are going to apply our texture. So this is the texture we are going to use. Apply it. Let's make it 45 for 30. 30 is okay, guys. So let me make it so that it will be the same as this text. So we are going to make a copy of this. So the first one, we are going to send it behind the text. So you send that one behind the text. So the second one, we are going to so just don't forget to lock your work so that they will not be moving around. We'll send it back. This one will be behind the text, and this one we are going to add our 3D effect. So let's add our 3D effect of this one, and let's reduce this one to 3. Take it down to 2. 2 is okay. Okay, we are going to apply our emboss. Correct it. Just set it. Okay guys, so let's off this our emboss to make the text look bright. So this is how you are going to get your text, and you can now apply, like you can set up the stars, these stars. You can set up these stars to the positions you want them to be, and that's all. Just bring them forward. This text going behind. Please guys, subscribe to the channel. More of this kind of texts are coming. I'm going to bring more of these guys. Please subscribe and hit the bell to be notified anytime I post a video. So without wasting much of our time here, let's go to the second one. I mean the third one, the third text we are going to. This one is editable, guys. You can edit it. Please, if you need this PixelLab, just check the description of this video. Join my Telegram group to download the app, and I'll be dropping the link of these files there. You can download it as well, and I'm even going to show you how you can also extract them into your PixelLab. So let's edit this one. Let's go to the second layer. This is the first layer. So this is it. Just position it well. Another one. So this is your text. They are all editable. So now we are going for the last one. This one. We are going for this one. Let's come and let's edit it. First layer. Guru. Our second layer. Our third layer. So this is how it will look like. So now you can just set up the file or resources to form the text this way. So guys, this is how your text will look like. This is how your text should look like. So now let's go back and let me show you how you can extract them. We're going back, so let's go to our folder. Let's go to our download. So if you download the file, this is how the file will look like. After downloading it, this is how the file will look like. So you go back to Z-Archiver. We are going to use our Z-Archiver to do that. So you go back to your download. This is how the file will look like. So you tap on it, come down here to extract. We are going to use this one, extract. So tap on it, tap on download, go to device storage, and we are going to our PixelLab, present, and we are good to go here. We are going to add a folder, tapping on the plus sign, add new folder, and this is our server. Tap on OK. Have you seen it? I'm already having that file. So you are going to tap on this to drop it, because I'm having it. That's why they brought this. So I have to tap on apply to all files and replace it. So we are done with how we can extract the file. Please watch the video carefully to get the password, and if you are new to this channel, subscribe and hit the bell to be notified anytime I post a video. Please don't forget to always share my videos